Yeah, welcome back. Las Vegas, Nevada, one of my favorite places to spot, even though you don't get much variety. But look at this, pitch down real quick right there. Condor coming into Vegas from Frankfurt now. Runway 26 left in Vegas is one of the most notorious runways to end up being too high and too fast. The illusion coming down the glide path is that you're always thinking you're too low because the runway looks narrower than it really is. And that's owing to the fact that the actual pavement for the runway is much wider than the markings that are presented on it itself. So you always think you're too low, but you're not. And that's why you see a lot of aircraft pitching down last minute. Now here is a massive pitch up, early flare that he's doing here. No big deal, and that's what's going to cause him to go down a bit further down the runway than we would like to. It's not a big deal, but it just happens so much on this runway here in Las Vegas. I mean, what better is there than to record this close up and personal with the touchdowns of that? Oh, I can't say the words. It just looks fascinating. And I don't care whether you like the stripes or not, they are in your face and you cannot deny it. It's there. You love it, you hate it, you're going to always look at it. And I think that's the intention. Well done, Condor. I see what the psychology behind what you're doing, and I like it.